What is a no-asset bankruptcy discharge? Have you ever wondered what happens when someone files for bankruptcy but has no assets to sell? This situation is known as a no-asset bankruptcy discharge, and it occurs in Chapter 7 bankruptcy cases. In this type of bankruptcy, individuals can wipe out most of their debts without losing their property. So, how does it work? When someone files for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, they list their assets and any exemptions they qualify for. Exemptions are protections under federal or state law that allow individuals to keep certain property. If a debtor has no non-exempt assets, the bankruptcy trustee will file a no-asset report. This report tells creditors that there are no assets available to pay off debts. Because there are no assets to distribute, creditors do not need to file a proof of claim. This means they will not receive any money from the bankruptcy process. However, even without assets, the bankruptcy discharge still releases the debtor from personal liability for most debts. There are exceptions, though. Debts like student loans, taxes, and child support typically cannot be discharged. The process for obtaining a no-asset bankruptcy discharge is fairly straightforward. After filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the debtor lists their assets and exemptions. If the trustee confirms that there are no assets to sell, the court will issue a discharge. This frees the debtor from most of their debts, allowing them to start fresh. Many individuals who file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy find themselves in this no-asset situation. They often have few assets beyond what is protected by law. Understanding no-asset bankruptcy discharges is important for both debtors and creditors. For debtors, it helps them navigate the bankruptcy process more effectively. For creditors, it provides clarity on the likelihood of receiving payment. If you are looking for legal aid or resources related to bankruptcy discharge information, knowing the specifics of no-asset cases can help you understand what to expect. This knowledge can make the bankruptcy process less daunting and more manageable. So, if you are considering filing for bankruptcy, remember that a no-asset bankruptcy discharge can be a valuable option for starting anew.